This is my Excel tutorial using different formulas. First, let's make a problem. Example 50, 80, 60, 30, 75, 64, and the last is 90. The first formula is the sum. Let's start with the sum here. Then equals sum. Click all the numbers above. Then click this blank cell and enter, and the total sum is 449. For the third formula is the sum ifs. Type the sum ifs and the total numbers of Hyundai. Below is equals sum ifs. For the sum range is the numbers, and for the criteria range is the car type, and for the criteria is the Hyundai, and the total numbers of Hyundai is 395. Our fourth formula is count. Let's find out and how many cells do we have in number. Answer, and the answer For seventh formula is count ifs. Type count ifs. Make a highlight below. Then we will look for the total of Mazda that has a 130 numbers. Then type A equals count Fs. For the criteria range 1 is the car type Mazda down to Mazda, and for the criteria 1 is the Mazda. And for the criteria range 2 is a number from 130 to 130. And for the criteria 2 is 130, and the answer is 3. Our 8th formula is VLOOKUP. We will look for the average of the students. First is the average of team equals VLOOKUP. The lookup value is team, and for the table array is the whole table, and the column index number is type number 3, then comma and type false, and enter, and the answer is 91.6. And for Botch is also the same process because VLOOKUP lookup value is Botch, and the table array is